In the ever-evolving world of SEO, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for maximizing your website's visibility and organic traffic. Keyword research, the foundation of any SEO strategy, has become increasingly complex as search engines prioritize user intent and constantly refine algorithms. This is where artificial intelligence, AI, steps in as a game changer. The SEO keyword research landscape. Keyword research serves as the cornerstone of any successful SEO strategy. It's the roadmap that guides your content creation, ensuring it resonates with your target audience and propels your website towards higher rankings. But why exactly is keyword research so crucial? Why keyword research matters. 1. Building a content powerhouse. Keyword research lays the groundwork for content creation that truly connects with your audience. By identifying the terms and phrases people are actively searching for, you can tailor your content to address their specific needs and interests. This targeted approach ensures your website becomes a go-to resource, attracting qualified traffic and establishing you as an authority in your niche. 2. Reaching the right audience. Keyword research is like deciphering the secret language of your target audience. By analyzing search trends and popular keywords, you gain valuable insights into the topics, questions, and pain points that resonate with them. This knowledge empowers you to create content that directly addresses their concerns, fostering a loyal following and driving engagement. 3. Organic traffic. Boom! Effective keyword research improves website ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs. When your content aligns with users' searches, search engines recognize its relevance and elevate your ranking. This surge of organic traffic attracts potential customers who are actively seeking the information or solutions you offer. 4. Staying ahead of the curve. The SEO landscape is constantly evolving, with search engine algorithms adapting and user trends shifting. Keyword research helps you stay abreast of these changes. By analyzing search volume fluctuations and emerging keyword trends, you can identify new content opportunities and ensure your website remains relevant within your industry. 5. Understanding your industry landscape. Keyword research provides a window into the collective mind of your target audience, revealing what matters most to them within your industry. You can uncover industry-specific jargon, identify hot-button topics, and discover the types of content users are actively seeking. This valuable knowledge empowers you to create content that resonates deeply with your audience and positions you as a thought leader within your niche. Limitations of traditional methods. While traditional keyword research methods offer a solid foundation, they have limitations in today's data-driven SEO landscape. Time-consuming and labor-intensive. Manually brainstorming keywords and analyzing competitor strategies can be a tedious and time-consuming process. This is especially true for uncovering a comprehensive list of long-tail keywords that can attract targeted traffic. Uncovering hidden gems. Traditional methods can struggle to unearth long-tail keywords and hidden topic opportunities. These valuable keywords, often with lower competition, can drive highly targeted traffic and improve your content's overall reach. Limited data analysis. Manually analyzing search volume and competition levels can be challenging and provide a limited perspective. Advanced AI tools offer a more comprehensive understanding of user intent and search behavior, leading to a more data-driven keyword strategy. By understanding the power of keyword research and the limitations of traditional methods, you can see how AI-powered tools can elevate your SEO efforts to new heights. The rise of AI in keyword research. The SEO landscape has witnessed a paradigm shift with the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock a treasure trove of data and insights, transforming your keyword research from a time-consuming task to a strategic advantage. What is AI, and how does it work for SEO? In the context of SEO keyword research, AI tools are trained on massive datasets encompassing search queries, user behavior patterns, and industry trends. This allows them to identify complex patterns and connections that would be nearly impossible to uncover through manual methods. One of the key strengths of AI in SEO is its ability to leverage natural language processing, NLP. NLP empowers AI tools to understand the nuances of human language, including synonyms, semantic relationships, and the context behind search queries. This enables them to go beyond just matching keywords and delve deeper into the true intent behind a user's search. For instance, a user searching for best running shoes might be interested in reviews, comparisons, or specific features. AI, through NLP, can decipher this intent and recommend not just running shoes, but also long-tail keywords like cushioned running shoes for men or waterproof trail running shoes for women. This empowers you to create content that precisely targets user needs and delivers exceptional value. Benefits of AI-powered keyword research tools. By incorporating AI into your keyword research strategy, you unlock a multitude of benefits that can propel your SEO efforts forward. Unveiling a keyword universe. AI tools excel at generating a broader range of relevant keywords, including valuable long-tail variations. These long-tail keywords, often boasting lower competition, can attract highly targeted traffic and improve your content's reach to a specific audience segment. Unearthing hidden gems. AI goes beyond the surface level, analyzing search trends and uncovering hidden topic opportunities within your niche. These untapped topics can form the foundation for fresh, informative content that positions you as a thought leader and attracts a new audience. Understanding user needs. AI tools don't just identify keywords, they shed light on the why behind user searches. By analyzing search queries and user behavior patterns, AI tools can pinpoint the questions users are asking and the related search queries they might explore. This empowers you to create content that directly addresses user needs and provides comprehensive answers, fostering trust and engagement. Competition assessment made easy. AI tools take the guesswork out of competition analysis. They assess the difficulty level of keywords based on factors like search volume and competition metrics. This allows you to prioritize keywords with a healthy balance of search volume and manageable competition, ensuring your content has the potential to rank well and attract organic traffic. Prioritization with precision. AI doesn't just provide you with a list of keywords, it helps you prioritize them strategically. By analyzing factors like search volume, competition level, and user intent, AI tools recommend keywords most likely to generate results and align with your overall SEO goals. Choosing the right AI keyword research tool. With a plethora of AI-powered keyword research tools available, selecting the perfect one requires careful consideration. Here are some key features to prioritize. Data source. The foundation of any AI tool lies in its data. Opt for tools that access comprehensive search data from various sources, including search engines and industry-specific platforms. This ensures your keyword suggestions are relevant and up-to-date. Some popular options include tools like Surfer SEO, Ahrefs, and SEMrush, which boast extensive data sources for keyword research. User-friendly interface. A user-friendly interface is paramount. The tool should be intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to explore keyword suggestions, analyze data, and generate reports efficiently. Tools like Phrase and MarketMuse are known for their user-friendly interfaces that make keyword research accessible even for beginners. Advanced functionality. Look beyond basic keyword suggestion features. Consider tools that offer advanced capabilities like competitor analysis, content gap identification, and topic clustering. Tools like SERPWatch and Moz Pro excel in these areas, providing valuable insights to refine your content strategy. Reporting and data exports. Detailed reports are crucial for tracking your progress and making informed decisions. Ensure the tool offers comprehensive reports and allows you to export data for further analysis in spreadsheets or other platforms. Tools like SpyFu and KDU Finder are known for their robust reporting features and data export capabilities. The world of AI-powered SEO tools is constantly evolving. While the options mentioned above represent some popular choices, it's essential to conduct your own research to find the best fit for your specific needs and budget. Consider exploring free trials or demo versions offered by many of these tools to get a hands-on feel for their functionalities before committing. A step-by-step guide to using AI for keyword research. AI-powered keyword research tools can be incredibly powerful, but to maximize their effectiveness, a strategic approach is key. Here's a step-by-step guide to harnessing the power of AI and crafting a data-driven keyword strategy. Know your audience, know your niche. Before diving into the AI pool, take a step back. A successful keyword strategy hinges on a deep understanding of your target audience and niche. Craft your ideal customer profile. Who are you trying to reach? Define your ideal customer's demographics, interests, and pain points. Understanding their search habits and the language they use will be crucial when selecting keywords. Speak the industry lingo. Familiarize yourself with the specific terminology and jargon used within your industry. AI tools can help identify these industry-specific keywords, ensuring your content resonates with your target audience. Stay ahead of search trends. What are people in your niche searching for? Explore industry publications and utilize tools like Google Trends to identify emerging topics and search trends. This knowledge equips you to target relevant keywords before the competition catches on. Seed keyword brainstorming. Now, let's get started with the AI tool. But before unleashing its power, create a foundational list of seed keywords. These are words and phrases directly related to your niche and target audience. Think like your audience. Brainstorm terms you believe your target audience might use to search for information or solutions related to your offerings. Consider product names, services you provide, or common industry challenges. Embrace the question mark. People often search by posing questions. Include questions your target audience might ask in your seed keyword list. AI tools excel at identifying related keywords based on these questions, helping you create content that addresses user needs directly. Unleash the power of AI. With your seed keyword list in hand, it's time to leverage the capabilities of your chosen AI tool. Input your seed keywords into the tool and explore the magic it conjures. A world of keyword possibilities. The AI tool will generate a comprehensive list of relevant keywords and long-tail variations. These variations offer an opportunity to target specific user needs and attract a more focused audience. Beyond the basics, while search volume is important, don't just focus on high-volume keywords initially. Look for keywords with a healthy balance of search volume and competition level. This sweet spot allows you to target keywords with the potential for good traffic while avoiding an overly competitive landscape. Balancing search volume and competition. AI tools often provide insights into the search volume and competition level for each keyword suggestion. Utilize this data to refine your keyword list. Prioritize balance. Ideally, your keyword list should include a mix of high-volume keywords with broader appeal, medium-volume keywords offering a good balance, and long-tail keywords with lower competition for more targeted content. Long-tail gems. Don't underestimate the power of long-tail keywords. While they might have a lower search volume, they often face less competition and attract a highly targeted audience actively searching for a specific solution. Decoding user intent. AI tools excel at analyzing user intent behind search queries. This knowledge is crucial for crafting content that resonates with your audience. Read between the lines. Analyze the AI tool's insights on user intent for each keyword. Are users seeking information, comparisons, reviews, or solutions to a problem? Understanding intent allows you to tailor your content to meet those specific needs. Ride the trend wave. Leverage the AI tool's ability to identify trending topics and rising search queries within your niche. By incorporating these trends into your content strategy, you can position yourself at the forefront of industry conversations and attract organic traffic. Refining your keyword arsenal. Now that you have a wealth of keyword options, it's time to refine your list and get organized for content creation. Prioritization is key. Prioritize your keywords based on search volume, competition level, and relevance to your content strategy. Aim for a balance of high, medium, and long-tail keywords for a well-rounded approach. Thematic buckets. Organize your prioritized keywords into thematic buckets based on common themes or topics. This organization will serve as a roadmap for content creation, ensuring your website offers a comprehensive and informative resource for your target audience. Unleashing the power of AI for SEO success. AI isn't a one-trick pony in the SEO world. While its power in keyword research is undeniable, it offers a multitude of benefits to elevate your overall SEO strategy. AI-powered content creation. Struggling with content ideas? Let AI be your brainstorming buddy. Explore tools like HubSpot Content Hub that suggest content outlines and optimize them for your target keywords. AI can also help with topic clustering, ensuring your content is comprehensive and well organized. AI for competitor analysis. Curious about what your competitors are ranking for? AI tools can shed light on their top-ranking keywords. By analyzing this data, you can identify content gaps and tailor your strategy to differentiate yourself and attract new audiences. Monitoring and adapting with AI insights. SEO is a dynamic landscape. Don't get stuck in a static keyword rut. AI tools allow you to track keyword performance and search trends over time. By leveraging these data-driven insights, you can continuously refine your keyword strategy and ensure your content remains relevant and impactful. By embracing AI-powered solutions, you gain a powerful ally in the ever-evolving SEO landscape. This technology empowers you to save valuable time and resources, gain deeper insights into user intent and search behavior, develop a data-driven content strategy for maximum impact, stay ahead of the competition by identifying trends and optimizing your strategy. Ready to unlock the full potential of AI for your SEO endeavors? Partner with Aspiration Marketing. We'll help you leverage the power of AI and SEO tools to craft a winning strategy that propels your website to the top of search engine results pages.